Welcome back, everybody. Today we're at Manasota Beach, the SharkTeeth capital of the world. Right as you leave the parking lot and cross the street, you see why this place is one of my favorite beaches. Off to the right there, you're going to find showers and bathrooms. There's also this really cool sidewalk with a bunch of shark teeth. The few times that I've been here, there's usually a gopher turtle hanging out around these picnic tables. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You'll find other beach videos on our channel. Here to get them shark teeth, baby. We're gonna get them shark teeth. We're gonna get them shark teeth. Right here, we're using a plastic sifter that we got from Amazon to go through all the broken shells. This is where you tend to find the shark teeth. When you do this, you want to look for black teeth. They're not white. They're black because they've been fossilized. Right here is also a very good spot to look for shark teeth, right after where the high tide came or where the water breaks.
Bam! Bunch of seaweed. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
We weren't there that long this day. As you can see, it wasn't that beautiful, but we found these just being there for about 20-30 minutes. One of the last things that I love about this beach is that they always have an active lifeguard. And if you go over to the shack, you can actually see what's going on in the water for the day.
That is so cool, man. That is cool, man.
Here's also a closer look at that really beautiful sidewalk.
There's another one. Look, all the main ones when people try to chisel out.
Thanks for coming and checking out how to find shark teeth at Manasota Beach. See you on the next one.
One of the coolest beaches in Florida.